Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anika K. How y'all doing or whatever? Hello somebody, what's up, what's good? Hey, cute patootie. Anyways guys, if you're oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to the channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe. And if you do enjoy the content here, I hope you hit that subscribe button because we would love to have you. We are on our way to 8,000 subscribers, baby, okay? So your girl's a little excited now, you're a little excited. But as you can see by the title of this video, child, we're doing a weekly check-in for August. This is my first one in 3 months. Baby, don't judge me too hard, okay? Budgeting is real, but budgeting is ghetto, okay? Point blank, period. So, let's get into it. This is week 1 budgeting. So we are going to, right here, child. Ooh, girl, don't judge me too hard, okay? Please and thank you, okay? Please and thank you. Now, I'm gonna be honest, because honesty is the best policy, okay? Your girl, I already messed up, okay? Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Child, I already messed up, but it is what it is. You know what? Let's just get into this video, do what we need to do, and let y'all know the real of the real, because I need to get my life together. So anyways, y'all, the first thing, child, so the first thing is here. The category is her. Category is here, okay? If you watch RuPaul's Drag Race, you know what that means. Child, I budgeted $20. $20. That's all I budgeted. $20, okay? What my account said I spent, okay? My account said I spent $133.61. What remainder? Okay, this is a negative. The red pen is coming out. Negative $113.61, and it's on my credit card, child. Ooh, child, that I need to pay for later on in life because I don't know if I can afford it right now. So let's just do what we need to do. Then next up is allowance. So for allowance, your girl got $110, okay? And then what did I spend in allowance? What did I spend? I spent $64.17. So we're not doing too bad. We're not doing too bad in allowance. So for this, I have remainings. How much money I got remaining? Child, I don't have a calculator, so this is all by head. If it is wrong, don't judge me. This is 83 cents right here, okay? 70 will give you $30, $40. So we're gonna do 36, 35, right? Who with me? Ooh, that little judgmenty of not 40, $45.83. Yeah, I think that's it. I hope that's it. We don't got a calculator to child. Hold on, because I'm acting like I don't have something that I could use. All right, y'all, so I'm back and I calculated it. It was right. These little calculations in my head was right, so thank you very much, okay? So allowance still has $45.83 to use. I just got the coins out yesterday. Y'all might have seen the cast up in video, but I got the coins out, so yeah. Next up is fuel. Now your girl was moving and shaking, but fuel got it $106. That was what was budgeted for fuel, and of that $106 I've used $51, so I have a remainder of $55 to work with for fuel. And baby, I used fuel again today. Child, let me tell you, this car is using so much, okay? Why is it so expensive? We just want to know, why is it so expensive to buy these gas? I be going everywhere. That's the problem. In Korea, I kept my little butt at home because she couldn't understand no Korean. But now, child, Tajay is seeing me every other day. Like, stay your ass at home. But anyways, guys, that's it. That's all. Fuel has $55 now left to work with. unbudgeted, child. This was an envelope I took out and I had to put it back in because who did I think I was? Okay, unbudgeted, like it says, got nothing budgeted for it. And what did I spend? I spent $311.50. Who am I? Who am I? So now I have negative $311.50 on my credit card that I need to pay for somehow, some way. I'm getting it together slowly but surely, child, because you feel me? Anyways, y'all, moving on to YouTube. So YouTube had a budget of $10 this month, and I spent the $10 because, baby, we did the giveaway. This might be on Sunday too when announcing the winner, so you never know. So YouTube has $0.00, and we're all good with that. So yes, ma'am, yes, sir. Next is car maintenance. I told y'all. This car, it got hold up, let me confirm how much is in car maintenance. Let's see. Yep. So car maintenance had a budget of $50. That was what was given to it. I don't even know why I did that. I shouldn't have did that. I shouldn't have. Car maintenance. See, it's a sinking fund, so you know it'd be iffy. But anyways, we budgeted $50 for car maintenance. We spent $21, right? We spent $21. So out of the total amount that is in car maintenance, which is $800, we spent $21, and so remaining in car maintenance is $779. Y'all know I can't do that number, so we gotta fix it. Who, child? We gotta fix this number because we can't. Anyways, that's it. That's all. That's cool. Okay, y'all. So next up is home, and home currently has $13.50. Ooh, child, $13.50. And from home, I spent $289.44. And y'all know I don't like them cent situation, child. I don't like the cent situation. So I'm gonna do $282.90 because no, child, you knows me. Let's put that in orange. It's our emergency fund. So anyways, we spent $289.44, and I bought me some Bath and Body Works, some smell good situation, child, for my house, for my homes. So it is what it is. And we are going to transfer this 56 cents to emergency fund. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that because I'm using an orange pen, but it is what it is. And so now in home, let me calculate it real quick. A minus $290. Now I have $1,060 in home, so that's cute. Then for Merrick, I budgeted $100, and he is normal. He's getting $100, so we're okay with that. So he has nothing remaining. Then tithes. What did I budget for tithes? Hold up, child. What did I budget for tithes? I budgeted $360 for tithes, and tithes used all its coins. $360, so that is a 0. Then for B days, this was a random. This is not like fam B days, which I budgeted, but this was like random B days for all my girls. I had three birthdays. Yes, 3 birthdays this month. Cassie J Budgets has a birthday. Auntie Foxy has a birthday, and then Cynthia Budgets has a birthday in August. So make sure you go over to their channels, make sure you subscribe, tell them happy birthday, say hello, hi, how you doing, like, comment, subscribe, and share their videos. Child, just do what you need to do. So that was their child, a beat. But that was their birthday, so that was $50, and that is all 50 used. So that is 0. It's not a cash envelope, but we used it, child. So, and then my plane ticket from Korea to here, it was $404 and something, child. I don't know. But I did $500. That's what I gave to my mama to reimburse her, and so that is 0. And then car payment. Ooh, car payments, y'all. My car payment is $492. I still need to break down for y'all how this car payment is. How did we get here? Okay, we back in debt. Like, it's a whole lot of update that y'all needs to have, child. So it is what it is. But that was my car payment. I did that as well. And then finally, I paid on my credit card. And what was on my credit card was $502.28. And basically, I paid this and I zeroed out my account. So there was $0.00 at the end of July. Or well, the 1st of August when I paid for this, because I paid off my July balance and I was supposed to be starting off with a new month, child. But as you can see, well, next week, as you can see, your girl was just doing a whole lot of. So here was doing a whole lot of. Budget was doing a whole lot of because I bought some stuff right before I came here, right before I left home. I bought some stuff, yeah. And just coins were spent, okay? Coins were spent. So that is how we got to where we got to. But this is my weekly check-in for week 1 in August, child. I'm not too proud of it. Not too proud of it, but I am very much aware of it now because I am tracking stuff, baby, because oof, you got to. But I'm very much aware of it now, so I can make those adjustments, adjust my budgeting, because she was doing a whole lot of. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tells you that, you know, budgeting is ghetto, but budgeting is real, child. Shit happens, okay? It's a quote. Also, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, because even your enemies need blessings. My name is Anique NK. Thank you all so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.